Hi, I'm John and I'm the Twisted Cuber. Welcome to my channel. This channel will be devoted to twisty puzzles such as the Rubik's Cube and other puzzles of that type. Today I'm going to be doing a quick unboxing video of this package that I received from Hungary. Without further ado, it's time to open this box. This is a puzzle I'm very excited to get. I've been wanting to get this for a very long time, and now that I've finally been able to get that, I've been looking very forward to getting this here. And for me, this is the holy grail of twisty puzzles. So this is the Rubik cheese. This puzzle came out only in Hungary in the late 1980s and is reportedly the second puzzle that was invented by Rubik. Now this puzzle was the inspiration behind the Rubik's UFO and then later the two-layer cheese. Because this here, unlike this one where the layer turns, this doesn't. Now let's take a quick look at this here. It's actually pretty stiff, which I'm a little surprised at considering that this is a 30-plus-year-old puzzle. A few minor scuffs, but otherwise than that, it's in excellent condition. I've seen videos of these and they are very, very loose. This one's not bad at all. This is not something I'm going to do solve on today. I will do that video another time. It looks like my cheese is in one of the solved configurations I saw in a picture of the original packaging for this puzzle. The colors on my cheese are different from that image, which may make it a little more challenging to solve. So here we are, the Rubik's cheese, a fairly rare puzzle. You can find these occasionally on eBay, which is where I bought mine. Every one of the ones I have seen has come from Hungary. This is a somewhat expensive puzzle, but if you collect vintage puzzles and want a great edition and or to complete your collection, I would definitely recommend this puzzle. I hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, please hit the like button. If you wish to see more of my videos, please subscribe by hitting the subscribe button and hit the notifications button to alert you to new videos. Thank you for watching.